Yo, what is up guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you for coming back to the channel. So I asked for your guys' recommendations on videos you guys would like to see. And, judging by some of the comments I got here, got a request for the US General 72-inch toolbox. I've actually been wanting to check this thing out, so let's go. Alright, Harbor Freight. So this is the new US General Series 3 72-inch toolbox. Looks pretty fancy. It's got the hutch on it. Retail for the box itself is about 1,800 bucks. Top hutch, 700 bucks. 1,000 bucks for the top chest, but they only got the top hutch on right now. This thing looks pretty nice. There's the icon box on the left, which is a lot bigger, but this is the new one, so let's check it out. The action feels pretty smooth on the top hutch. Actually feels really nice. Got some little power port or outlet, so you can run your extension cable or power blocks through those. Got some cool little pegboard setup on the back. I'm sure there's a ton of accessories for that. So that's kind of pretty neat. This color is very nice. Really glad Harbor Freight went with this new color, at least for their show model. And see, you can unlock the drawers from anywhere, versus on like the Series 2 you have to grab it on the far right side to unlock the drawer. Kind of wish it was a little deeper. You can see it's about my forearm length. This box is 22 inches deep, so not super deep. Decently sturdy. This drawer is really sick. You got your power bank right there. That is nice. You can put all your chargers and stuff like that down there. Got a nice deep drawer. Put your compression testers or chemicals down there. Drawer here. I feel like these bearings on the side, they feel a lot similar to my US General Series 2 toolbox. So I wonder if they used the same one. Thought they would have improved them, but my cart hasn't let me down, so I'm sure these side bearings will do just fine. And another drawer at the bottom. Looks like the power cable to run your power bank down there too. Decently sturdy. Not too sure if you could stand up in this drawer. I'm not going to do it here at Harbor Freight, but let's check out the left side. This box setup kind of reminds me of my Snap-on box. Mine's just not as tall. I think this one has more drawers. Now Harbor Freight is trying to compare this with the Snap-on KCP 242 3BN model, which that Snap-on box runs for about 8,500 bucks. So for this box being at 1,800 bucks, it's quite a steal. You could spend that money you saved on actually filling this box up versus just buying the box and being in debt with no tools. A little wiggle test. The drawers usually have a lot of wiggle when there's nothing in there. There's no weight.
You go ahead.
That's kind of normal. But yeah, this box looks pretty fancy. If I didn't already have a full-size box, I'd probably be maybe looking at this. It's got the 6-inch casters, 2 swivels on the right side and 2 fixed casters on the left side. Got a little soft mat, which is removable. One day, maybe they'll make a steel top. I'm about 6 feet tall, and this box with the hutch is about up to my forehead. So pretty good height. Still think I'd hit my head on the top of it, but decent height. It's nice to actually see this box in person though, versus just seeing Instagram videos and stuff like that online, to actually really see it. So the Icon box is a lot deeper and does feel a whole lot more sturdier, but it is also a lot more expensive. I think this US General box though is good for anyone starting out. Maybe you're on the lube rack about to promote to flat rate, or about to move on to the main line doing real work, real repairs. I think this box would be plenty. Pretty sure it has more room than my current Snap-on box at work, and even with that big box, I don't even really go to it too much. I mainly work out in my service cart. But yeah, that's the box, guys. So yeah, the box honestly seemed like pretty legit. I think the color really makes me want it. The color looks really badass, but the box for the price, I think it's a good deal. Of course, it is new, so some of you guys might be wondering how long it's gonna last, but me personally, I have my Harbor Freight Series 2 56-inch, believe, at the house in the garage. Have had no problems with that. Had it for like almost 2 years now. As well as I have my Series 2 US General yellow roll cart that you guys might have seen in my Instagram stories, and I've had that one for 3, almost 4 years now, and I abuse the crap out of that service cart. And like I said, the sliders looked very similar to the Series 2 sliders. The quality of the box felt very similar to the Series 2, so I feel like this box will have no problem outlasting probably the user. So just wanted to kind of make that video, kind of give you guys a little in-person tour. Maybe you don't have the box at your Harbor Freight around you, anything like that, I don't know. I thought it was cool, so let me know what you guys thought of this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!